Hello friends, today I am in Mexico City. It's raining here, but my mood is amazing because I want to tell you about the greatest holiday of the Sakha people, Yhyakh, which is celebrated on the 21st of June, the day of the summer solstice. Yhyakh symbolizes the renewal of the nature's forces, beginning of a new life cycle and the beginning of the agricultural year.
The word Yhyakh comes from the verb us, meaning to scatter or to sprinkle. It symbolizes abundance and blessing, connected to the ritual of sprinkling the earth with kumis, a sacred fermented drink made from mare's milk. The celebration begins with ritual dances and a blessing called algus, offered by an algushit, who invokes the Ayu deities for harmony and well-being of the Sakha people. People gather in traditional clothing, prepare handmade costumes, and cook national dishes like salamat, Yhyakh et, kumis, birpach, alaje, and some more. Throughout the festival, traditional sporting events take place: horse races, mask wrestling, hapsagai wrestling, running, national-style jumpings, and more. The spirit of unity is embodied in Ahochai, a great circle dance symbolizing the cycle of life as dancers move with the sun. The most emotional moment is the greeting of the sun, Kun Korsute. People raise their hands to the sky, welcoming the first light of the new day, believing the sun's rays bring strength for the whole year ahead.
So here is a brief information about Yhyakh, which has the sacred meaning for Sakha people, and Yhyakh connects us with our roots, with our past, with our future, and with each other. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.